Join Sistahs Travel as we explore dyeing fabrics with plants, vegetables, and herbs, as well as weaving in the markets of Central America. Stay tuned. Ooh, you okay? Ouch, ouch, I feel like mosquitoes are biting me on my leg. Oh. Sorry. You're playing over here, huh? I feel like it's getting more and more slippery down this hill. It's hella steep. There's orange trees and coffee plants. To the end of this long hill. Buenos días. Buenos días.
Yeah. Actually, it's very nice. It's closer to the water, so now we can go back and enjoy the water. People doesn't like it over there.
Love the whole environment.
I may want to stay over there, but I'll book back over here. Yeah, it's great. I can see it. Yeah, probably they got it hooked up.
We'll see. We'll see. Wow. So look at these crochet hats.
That's why it's gone.
This crochet hat.
Hola.
Hello. This is cotton.
Okay.
Camisas. This is fresh passion fruit here in Guatemala. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's like a tutti frutti mango. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so delicious. So se dice in English, mud cloth. Yeah, they're from Africa. You like it?
Sí.
See, yeah, she said it's a weave. See, she's nectarized a weave. And dye. It's also the dye.
Natural.
See, she said it's natural. Sorry, she's like, she said it's weave, but she's muy bonita.
Porque es pequeño.
Just a little bit of sewing, see?
They connect, they sew
Con
the
mano.
panels, yeah. So they sew.
Nana. She said, but she's seeing looking at the stitch.
Mm.
Y mi hermana crochet. You know crochet? This one,
Sí, crochet.
crochet. And then she also makes this one. She makes this. She makes it. So she likes to create.
Muy bonito.
She like that.
Algodón.
Algodón, sí.
Algodón es este.
Oh, that's a cotton tree.
Oh.
That's a piece of cotton there.
Wow. This is a cotton tree?
Yes, look, she's picking cotton right off of it, Tani.
Este es algodón.
Wow.
Algodón is cotton.
Mira.
Wow.
Y el algodón.
Ooh,
Wow.
Tani.
Wow.
That's what our ancestors
Look
was.
at that. I want to get a
See,
It's a
but you
cotton
have to be
tree.
in that. You have to be.
that. I want to get a picture of
Aquí
this.
está el algodón.
You can't do it from the angle.
Oh,
You do
wow,
it.
that's beautiful.
Del lago.
In the lago? No, in the ocean.
Sí, ocean.
Ajá, sí,
sí.
del océano.
Oceano.
Pero tú traes del océano.
No, I'm from Africa.
Ah,
From Africa.
muy bonito. Me gusta su sonido.
I think maybe she likes the sound or something of the
Sí,
shell.
como suave.
Me gusta tu pelo de mujeres when they wrap it con the fabric.
Ah, aquí
Sí,
sí,
sí.
muy bonito también.
Sí.
Sí, es,
Para religioso. Sí.
sí. No
Oh, no.
cultura.
No. More the culture, not
Ajá,
religion.
cultura.
So
sí.
the para las mujeres de Maya la pelo es muy especial.
Sí.
Sí.
Tiene que ser pelo largo,
So you want long hair.
Oh.
The woman's hair is considered very
Long.
special.
no muy
Yeah.
corto,
No corto. Don't cut it.
Don't cut it.
porque las personas dicen, si una mujer tiene el pelo corto, los hombres dicen o las personas, ella es mala.
He's saying a woman is something when the men see her cut her hair. It's mala. Este dice
Not bad.
es no bueno.
No,
No
good.
good.
No good. No good.
La mujer que
La
tiene
mujer
pelo
sí,
corto.
So the men see them with the short hair and say it's no,
No
good.
good.
Hair is special. That's
Very
it. It's
special.
certain patterns amongst
Es
solar
que-
people that is consistent.
Es
Something with
que
the
aquí en
plan.
Guatemala hay mucho machismo.
Very the men, a lot of men are very macho.
Sí, hay mucho
Oh.
machismo. Los hombres no quieren las mujeres superar.
They don't want the women to be lifted up,
Oh.
superior. Wow, I don't know if that's funny.
Es
Wow.
muy difícil.
It's
Hay
very
mucho
difficult.
Oh, wow.
Sí,
Para todas las mujeres.
para todo.
All the women.
Wow.
Sí, es muy difícil porque las mujeres tienen que estar en su casa
Have to stay in the casa. No
cuidando a los
education.
niños.
No education.
Por ejemplo,
Niños.
mi madre no educación. Otras,
Tus
las-
niños.
ahora sí porque yo trabajo en Tinte Mayo.
That's why she works in Tinte Maya so her children get an education.
Oh.
Yo, por ejemplo, ahora estoy tenido y pagarme y yo puedo pagar educación.
To pay for the education.
Oh.
Wow, I wish I could get their
okay.
hands on some iPads. The iPads. It's a
Wow.
fireworks.
En cambio, pasado,
Uh-huh.
And the
la
past.
mujer esperar en su casa para hombre,
To stay in the house for the man.
para
Wow.
comida y todo, sí. Ah, triste. Pero ahora no.
But now, no.
Okay. Wow.
But to a certain degree, some change. Wow. So there's a lot of machismo. Wow.
Mucho machismo.
Mucho machismo.
Ah, wow.
Ahora que hay un poco de turismo, las mujeres trabajan en su casa y unos, por ejemplo, las
example.
señoras que vinieron, ellos 15
Wow.
minutos aquí y luego a su casa.
She said, come here for a few minutes and then she go back to her house.
Oh.
And that's what I think she's saying.
Sí,
Wow.
sí, es un-
Mucho Ay. Wow.
Es triste, pero
They were coming from the Christianity or whatever they had going on in the house. Because even when we saw the man drunk walking, why would somebody expose their daughter to something like that? And the family walking with him, but that's not good behavior. Wow. A lot of stuff going on.
Some of it is actually classic and all been going on for a
Some
long
of it
time.
is across the board, cultural, I mean, you know.
Throughout the ages.
Throughout the ages, women have been
I'm saying
getting
it's
up.
not new.
See why?
Wow.
So she said machismo.
It's a lot. But you jump from one frying pan into another.
Everything
You don't
is
even
a
see it.
trade-off. Sometimes you can't see.
But maybe when, I don't know. It's just a lot. It's a lot.
It's a lot to take in.
ahora yo.
Muy bonita.
Ahora yo.
Sí, sí. Red, gold, and green flag.
Ahora sa Diyos ka.
I don't know.
That's not kind.
Enjoying some. Everybody enjoying some watermelon. Not watermelon. Pineapple. Yeah, you check it out. Everybody get a little tidbit.
Ha? Nakachin sila ko. Hari tare chiri sang ko. Gracias. Come. Hari kityo sa siya. Na coach ko. Tastemia.
Se dice cenizas de girasol.
Ah,
¿Sí?
como este.
Sí, sunflower.
Ah, que dejarle leche. Okay, okay. Thank you. Tenang ka.
Es muy saludable.
Along here. Along here. Ako.
Sunflower seeds
Sunflower.
and some pineapple.
How do you
Go
do
ahead, Guatemala.
Saludable.
And treat you come over your sister's house.
Taniman niyo. Ano yung how do you go to it? Different things, different. Hindi ko sa miya pa rin.
Wow, this is gorgeous. I'm a little tired, that's why I'm sweating. We've been taking classes all day, all week, all 2 weeks. Wanted to get my pants. We're walking home.
There's avocados on the ground.
Oh, I see what you're saying. How's your back?
Okay.
It's gonna pour.
You gonna thunder?
Mm-hmm.
So, we have all of these avocados on the ground. You can see there's avocados all over the ground. And walk down this big old steep hill. This hill is steep. So everybody can grow something.